Hi there! My name is Raymond, and I'm very excited to share a bit about myself with you today. So, I have over 10 years of experience in the BPO industry where I developed a strong foundation in client management, team leadership, and performance optimization. I started my journey as a customer service representative at United Healthcare, where I honed my skills in customer interaction and problem solving. So from there, I transitioned to roles such as sales coach at AT&T and T and DirecTV, client success manager at T-Mobile, where I was responsible for performance management and driving sales metrics. My experience has also led me to work with companies like Crest Interior in Australia, where I assisted in lead generation as a virtual assistant. And most recently, I took a freelance project in website development and wound care services on Upwork as an account manager and sales manager. So outside of work, I love cooking, especially baked mac, which brings back fond memories of my childhood with my grandmother. And of course, I studied applied mathematics with information technology at Far Eastern University here in the Philippines, which has equipped me with analytics skills that I apply in my work every day. Well, I'm well versed in tools like Microsoft Suite, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Tableau, which help me streamline processes and enhance productivity. I'm now looking to leverage my diverse skill set as a virtual assistant. I thrive in fast-paced environment. I am eager to help businesses grow to providing a top-notch support. So thank you so much for taking time to get to know a little bit about me. I look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you so much. Once again, my name is Raymond.